Come on. We're at Par Middleway level crossing in Cornwall. The train's 8:06 I was waiting in the van because it was horrible rain out there. It's going to be your Great Western Railway, so it's going to be your Great Western Railway 150 to 63 to Par, I imagine, from Newquay. And that was an awful rain shower, literally blew the van sideways. And also it has a unique design here, so the bar is actually over here and it's not back there. Oh, that is an alarm. I'll still zoom in a bit. We have pedestrian lights. And that's a public footpath. Now to get my shoes soaked here. I can't see the train just yet. There it comes. Alright, here comes your Great Western Railway service. They even turned the spotlight on, I can see, because it's so dark. Great Western Railway service to Par. 150, 263.